Removing the top of your Hayward Voyager filter tank is a routine step for maintenance or repairs, and it's easier than you might think. Start by stopping water flow to the system. If your setup includes shutoff valves, turn them to the correct position. If not, you can block the flow manually using Hayward black plugs in the skimmer and return lines. Next, open the air relief valve on the filter tank to release pressure. Loosen the black ring at the center of the tank by holding the locking tabs and turning it counterclockwise. This step helps make the lid easier to remove once the tank is empty. Now unscrew the drain plug at the bottom of the tank and let all the water drain out completely. Once drained, continue turning the black ring counterclockwise until the lid comes free. And that's it. The top of your filter tank is off, and you're ready for the next step in your maintenance. For more quick and useful pool equipment maintenance tips, subscribe to the Great Escapes channel. See you next time.